Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to add custom fonts, styles, and breakpoints in Tailwind CSS version 4. But before we dive in, if you are new to Tailwind version 4, I highly recommend you checking out my previous video where I talked about how to install Tailwind CSS version 4. That video will help you get set up before customizing your styles. I'll leave the link in the description, so be sure to watch it. And while you're here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Let's get started. So if you have Tailwind CSS installed already, you know that in version 4.0, you do not have Tailwind config file where you can add your custom styles. Everything will be done in your root CSS folder. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using index.css. So let's head to their documentation and see how it is done. So by the way, the project we'll be using for as a sample is a simple login form. So let's head to their documentation and see how they add custom styles to this version 4.0. So let's just copy this. You use this add theme directive and add any form of custom CSS you want to add. So let's just paste it here. So let's copy, paste. So once you have it here, let's go to our login page and see how it's working. So the first thing I want to test is this breakpoint. This is how to add your breakpoint. You do the double dash, and breakpoints, which is what you want to customize. Then you give it a custom name. So this could be anything. This is 3XL. And I don't want to do 19 to 20. Let's do 1 to 20 because I'm a smaller screen just to see the changes take effect. So here we'll come to this to the login, to the H1, H2 holding the login, and let's say or at 3XL, I want the background color to be red. So let's see. As you can see, it's red on extra large screen. That is around 1,220 pixels. So let's see how it will look on small screens. Let's just be sure. This is 768. So it's not up to 1,220, just 768 pixels. So as you can see, we don't have the background color that is red here. But when it gets to anything above 1,220, even this doesn't have, but when we get to 1,440, we see it take effect. You can, of course, you can customize it as much as you want. Let's say you want to add color. So this is color. You need to call the name of the variable you want to customize, and this can be anything. This can be anything. I can change this to primary, and when I come here, I can say I want this to be text primary. You see, it has changed from black to the primary color that I assigned it to be. So you can name this custom to anything you want. Also, if you want to add breakpoints to, so breakpoint has been added. So for fonts, if you want to use this fonts display, let's change this to fonts sandwich, just to make it so we have the name of the font that we are making use of. I can come here and say I want this font to be sandwich. I need to spell it the same way I spelled it here. Okay, sandwich. I will also be showing you how to use Google Fonts here. So let's go ahead and paste this here. So let's see. So the font has changed, as you can see, it's quite different from this. So if you want to use Google Fonts, you can go ahead to Google Fonts and select the fonts you want to use. Then I would be embedding the URL here. So let's copy this URL. So I selected Dynapof. So that's the name of the font I want to use. So I'll head on here. And mind you that you cannot paste it here, or else you see an error here in your terminal. You need to paste it above. It should be the topmost in your CSS file. So once you do this, as the error has gone off, and you can go ahead and see how the font is called. So here, this is how to call it. So I'll go ahead and copy this. You know what? Let's just copy it like this. And once we get here, let's make it directly here. So fonts, don't forget your double dash because it's a variable, and this is the name Dynapof. So I can change this to Dyna just to be sure, just to remember that this is for Dynapof. So if I come here and change my login font to Dynapof, so let's just change it to Dyna. Remember that that's the name of the room, Dyna. So we come here, you can see that. Okay, let's change the color just for you to see it better. So let's do color white, color second row, and let's use so let's use the Excel code for white. Perfect. So in here we can change the color of the login to second row. So it's white now. As you can see, the Dyna of fonts showing now, and we're also able to change the color. Of course, you can go ahead and change if you want to add a custom transition. As you can see, these are some transitions that were added. You can go ahead and do so. Just to know that you need the name of the keyword of what you want to change, and this is a variable that can bear everything. So guys, as you can see, it's quite straightforward to do, and it's quite easy to. And that is it, guys. Now you know how to add custom fonts, colors, breakpoints in your Tailwind CSS version 4.0. Please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what Tailwind topic you want me to cover next. See you in the next one. Bye.